All right, number 9. It says, how many milligrams does a 433 kilogram sample contain? Now, you could look up that the conversion between kilograms and milligrams, but I'm going to pretend that I don't know that, and I'm only going to know kilograms to grams and grams to milligrams, which means I need a plan of attack so I can do this in 2 steps. So I'm going to go from kilograms to grams to milligrams. And now I need 2 equalities. Every time there's an arrow, we need an equality. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, and 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So dimensional analysis is changing the unit without changing the quantities. We're going to use equalities to do these types of conversions. So if we start with 433 kilograms, I only really need to make one decision once I have the equality, and that is which one goes on the bottom. The thing that doesn't go on the bottom, of course, has to go on the top. So these two must be equal. So I pick one for the bottom and one for the top. If I want kilograms to cancel out, I put kilograms on the bottom. Because I want to end up with grams, I put the 1,000 grams on the top. Now, after I do my first conversion, the kilograms have canceled out, and I'm left with grams. Now, for my second conversion, again, each arrow represents one conversion factor. So in this case, I now have grams. I have to decide, do I want to put grams on the bottom to cancel it out, or milligrams on the bottom to cancel out the grams? I want to put the unit I have on the bottom. So since I have grams, I want to put grams on the bottom so that grams will cancel out. And then once I've decided what's on the bottom, the other thing goes on the top. So one goes on the top, one goes on the bottom, because these top and bottom must be equal to each other. So in this case, I put the 1,000 milligrams on the top. So I'm going to take 433 times 1,000, which is 433,000, times another 1,000, which is 433 million. However, I'm going to write that in scientific notation, which is 4.33 times 10 to the 8th. Okay, 10 to the 6th is 1 million, 10 to the 8th is 100 million. So this is 433 million milligrams, which is choice letter